But this shirt feel like a Kid Carson music video.
Yo, what's going on? The kicks here. These bad boys released back when I was 11 years old. I was like, man, I got this money on. Let me spend some, you know, have some fun on with the money on. So I was like, what could I buy? So I went on eBay. These things hit the market. And I didn't waste no time. It was about like 125 people watching these items, like watching these kicks in particular. I was like, dude, I have to buy these. The price was even crazy. I think I got them for like 300. But if you go on eBay right now, the prices are ridiculous. Right, Jeremy Scott 2.0s. These kicks alone, I was like, man, them things are fly. That chick sounds corny as heck, right? Because they literally have wings. But like, they stand out so much. I showed my dad, and he's like, oh, you want to fly? And I was like, they just look cool. And my dad looked at me like, and then I tried to look around to try to get them, and no luck. Like, they were sold out everywhere. Yeah, these are the kicks that got me into sneakers. If it wasn't for Jeremy Scott, I don't think I would be a big sneakerhead as I am right now.
But yeah, I try to record more content with the night vision if you guys like that. He's like, I dig this.
Yeah, man, y'all stay blessed. Love y'all. Y'all take it easy.
Wait a minute. Before I go anywhere, we gotta do it on feet with the lights off. What?